Come close now, let me tell you a lie. Wild child, you got me running through the turnstile. Baby girl, we better make it worthwhile. You're gonna get my love today.
Welcome to Unrestricted. We're having a short lunch break in Luxembourg. Lots of cool cars this time. GT3 RS is back. The new license plate, because it was stalled during winter. It's too cold in Belgium to drive during winter. So when the insurance company took care of everything. So it's really cool to find passionate people who understand sports cars. If you're looking for good insurance, check out Hillware. It's where the car's insured. I'll add a link in the description. Another GT3 RS, this one from Stan in ultraviolet. Just look at these two together. And yet another GT3 RS, Bruno's amazing car. Probably still the coolest GT3 RS out there. I mean, just look at it. Stunner. 3.8 manual. Brilliant car. And over there we have the Spider from Steven, 718. Paint to sample. Viola metallic. Nice contrast with the ceramic brakes. And then joining us for the first time, black GT4 981. I used to have one like this as well in racing yellow. Kinda miss it. Really like the GT4. Just an excellent car. Manual, super sporty. Just look at it. And over here we have another GT4. This, in my opinion, is the best way to spec the 718 GT4. Junction blue, black rubbers around the windows, wheels in platinum gray. If I were to spec a GT4, it would be exactly the same as this one. Maybe I would take the PDK. So this one is a manual for real driving pleasure. But I think I would take the PDK. My racing yellow GT4 used to be a manual as well, but yeah, gotta change it up sometimes. And then last but not least, the GT3 Touring, also on a brand new license plate, also from Hillware Insurance. So check these guys out. Yeah, what a lineup. What a lineup of great cars. Not your average Sunday, not your average parking lot in Luxembourg. Just look at it. If you could have one, which one would you pick? Would you pick one of the GT3 RSs? Cart red one? Or would you go for the GT4? Or this 718 Spider and the Paint to Sample? All great cars. After lunch we're leaving, driving some of the bus roads in Luxembourg. You can find the route that we're going to take in the Unrestricted mobile application. I'll add a small portion on how you can select the roads and drive them yourself. Who knows, maybe you'll meet us. And if you don't, you can just enjoy the roads, enjoy the landscapes, and just really have a good time. I'm headed back inside for some nice coffee. Lunch was great, steak, always good. And now I'm in dire need of more coffee. Bye! We're joined by a famous YouTuber!
Ik ook. Hannes.
Goedendag.
Hallo.
And Steven already lost the route. Typical. Het was niet Steven. Sorry Steven.
We are here in Luxembourg.
So we're here in Luxembourg to enjoy nature, and then obviously the traffic jam. The traffic lights. Best, what do you think about the red traffic lights?
The
right in front
signal
of
is
us?
coming, man. The signal comes. I'm just waiting for the signal.
And so we're definitely keeping it classy, clean, adhering to all the speed limits all the time. The surroundings are beautiful, as you can see. We've got some company as well. And we're off.
Quietly across the bridge.
Don't take borduurtje weer het best. Think about the wheels. So just enjoying the sightseeing, being very, very, very decent. gewoon ze Steven.
Dat gaan we niet doen.
Bert gaat het er zeker mee insteken.